This is a typical installation of Katzkin leather. In this particular case, it's a Ram truck. Very nice. It came with cloth seats, and given a choice of colors, this was chosen red with black and red stitching. Katzkin leather. Looks very nice. They actually covered the center console as well. And the front and back seats. It's a very nice contrast. They do a very professional job. Include heated seats with 2 settings, hot and really hot. This leather installation and heated seats can be installed on the passenger side as well. In some cases, that may not be possible to have on the bottom setting because of the occupant classification system. But in all of them, the back can be fully heated in the different settings as well. The Katzkin leather comes in many different colors as well. You can choose different shades of red, or yellow, or beige, or blue. And there is a burgundy that would look really nice.